So today we are going to start a new chapter of literature, chapter number 1. Mukesh starts a zoo. So on the screen you can see a zoo is what? It's a large park or a garden where animals are kept for study also, and they are kept for protection also, or display to the public. Now a boy named Mukesh, he visited a zoo and came up with an interesting idea. Now let us see what was the idea of Mukesh. We'll learn in this chapter, okay? On a visit to Delhi with his parents, Mukesh spent 2 days, 2 crowded hours at the zoo. Why is saying crowded hours? Because when we visit a zoo, so many people are there. They all come to see the animals. So it was a crowded hours. He was dazzled. Dazzled meaning is given here. Impressed and amazed by many colorful birds, fascinated by the reptiles. Fascinated again, attracted or interested by somebody or something. Then charmed by the gibbons and the chimps. What are chimps? Chimps are chimpanzees. And gibbons, meaning is given here, small apes which with long arms and no tails. Awestruck by the lions. Awestruck is filled with fear or wonder. When we see lions, tigers, and leopards, we get frightened, no? So he was also awestruck by the lions, tigers, and reptiles. There was no zoo in the small town of Dehra. Dehra is Dehradun, where he lived. So Mukesh belonged to Dehradun. Soon as he got home, he decided that he would have a zoo of his own. Now, when he visited the zoo and he found, he saw so many animals, so he decided that he is going to make a zoo where he is living. Okay, and he'll make it of his own. I'm going to start a zoo, he announced at breakfast the day after his return. So, after he returned from the visit of the zoo, he announced during breakfast that I'm going to start a zoo. But do you have any birds or animals? Said Dolly, his little sister. So she said, if you want to make a zoo, you want to have your own zoo, there should be animals in the zoo. Do you have birds and animals? So now let's move to the next page. I'll soon find them. What did he say? I'm going to find the animals, said Mukesh. That's what a zoo is all about, collecting animals. So he said that what is a zoo? It's like collecting animals. He was gazing at the whitewashed wall of the veranda. Veranda is what? It's a corridor outside the rooms. The space, open space, that is corridor also we can say, and in Hindi we say veranda. And gazing means when you look steadily at something for a long time, means continuously if you are looking at anything for a long time, that is called gazing. And so he was gazing at the whitewashed walls of the veranda where a gecko was in pursuit. What is a gecko? You can see it's a small lizard that lives in warm countries, and it was in pursuit. Pursuit means the act of chasing or following something. You must have seen the lizards in your homes also, no? How do they walk on the walls? How do they run? They are always in a pursuit, means they are chasing, act of chasing, or they are following anything. So this lizard was also in pursuit of a fly. It was just chasing a fly. It was about to catch a fly. A little later means after some time, Mukesh was trying to catch the lizard. Now see, he wanted to catch that lizard, but it was more alert than it. But that lizard was, it was aware that this boy is going to catch me. You must have seen when a lizard is in our home and if we go in that room, it starts moving very fast. So lizards are very aware. They are also frightened and we are also frightened of them. Then it looked and always managed to keep a few inches ahead of his grasp. Grasp means to catch tightly. So they are always few inches away. That is not the way to catch a lizard, said Teju. Now Teju said, this is not the proper way to catch a lizard. You can't catch because it will run fast and you will not be able to catch it. Appearing on the veranda steps, Teju and his sister Koki lived next door. Now Teju and Koki, they were the neighbors of Mukesh. You catch it then, said Mukesh. So now when Teju gave the advice, what did Mukesh say? He said, now you catch and show me how can you catch. Now what did Teju do? Teju fetched a stick from the garden. Fetched means to bring. So here, what did Teju do? Teju brought a stick from the garden. He used the stick to tip the lizard off. Now to tip the lizard off means, tip off means to put anything, to drop anything. So now with the help of the lizard, Teju tip of the lizard of the wall into a shoe box. So you can see here in the picture also that the girl is holding a box and Teju is just tipping off the lizard from the wall. You will be my head keeper, said Mukesh. So now when Teju did this, what did Mukesh announce? He said, now you are going to be the head keeper. Head keeper means you are going to be my captain, you are going to be my director, you are going to guide me how to collect animals. Because he collected the lizard in a very tricky manner. And soon he and Teju were at work and in the back garden setting up enclosures, and now they started working for a zoo. So what are enclosures? Enclosure is a piece of land that is surrounded by a fence or a wall or wire mesh to keep animals from getting around. It's like fencing a piece of land. So they started doing this work with a roll of wire netting they had found in the poultry shed. Poultry shed is where hens are kept. Okay. What else can we have in the zoo? He said, now what else can we keep in the zoo? This question was from Teju. There's your grandmother's parrot, said Mukesh. Now Teju's grandmother had a parrot. So she said, we can keep this parrot also in our zoo. That's a good idea. But we won't tell her about it. Not now. But what did Mukesh say? No, we are not going to inform grandmother about this, that we are going to take your parrot in the zoo. I don't think she would lend it to us. Why they said so? Because they were thinking that grandmother will not give the parrot to them. You see, it's a religious parrot. Why she will not give? Because it was a religious parrot. And she has taught lots of prayers and chants to this parrot. Chants meaning is given, words said over and over again. You must have seen parrots, they repeat the words. They are trained to repeat the words. Whatever we say, they will repeat. So chanting is that. Then people are sure to come and listen to it. They'll pay too. Now see what he said. No, if we are going to keep this parrot in our zoo, it will be the attractive animal in the zoo. And people will pay for it because when the parrot will chant something, they will love to hear the chanting, they will love to hear the prayers. What else can we have? Well, there's my dog, said Mukesh. Then now see how two animals are collected. One is lizard, second one is parrot. So now Mukesh said, there's my dog. I have one dog also. But a dog isn't a zoo animal. He said, a dog is not a zoo animal. Mine is. It's wild. He said, no, my dog is a zoo animal because it's a wild animal. It's not a pet animal. Look, it's black all over and it's got yellow eyes. What did he say? It is black in color. The body of the color is black and its eyes are yellow. Cookie had a white rabbit. Will she lend it to us? So now three animals, lizard, then parrot, and then dog. Now they said that Koki has a white rabbit, so she can also lend us. So we can keep this animal also in the zoo. I don't know. Maybe we can rent it from her. What did he say? I don't know. She'll give it, but we'll give rent and she can give us. Okay. And there's Sitaram's donkey. Who was Sitaram? He was a washerman and he had a donkey. So now they said we can collect donkey from Sitaram also. Sitaram, the whitewasher's son, usually used a donkey to deliver and collect the laundry from the houses along the streets. So he said he is the washerman's son and he is using this donkey to deliver and to collect the laundry from the houses. So uh, we can use donkey also, we can keep donkey also in the zoo. Now let's move to the next page. Do you really want a donkey? Asked Teju doubtfully. Now he was doubtful. He said, do you want a donkey in a zoo? I have heard of a wild ass, but not a wild donkey. He said, I have only heard about a wild ass. Ass is also a kind of donkey only, okay? But it is a wild one. So he said, I have never heard that a donkey is kept in a zoo. I have only heard about wild ass. Well, they are related to each other. Why don't we paint black stripes on it and call it a zebra? What did he say? What uh, did he did this boy say? Teju, we can do one thing. What are we going to do? We are going to paint white and black color on this donkey, and we'll keep it as a zebra. Okay. So this was an idea from Teju. No, that's cheating. It's got to be a proper zoo. No tricks. It's not a circus. So Mukesh said, I'm not going to do any cheating in my zoo. I want to set up a proper zoo. And I don't want any tricks. It's not a circus. You must have seen in circus so many tricks are played. So he said, I don't want any tricks in my zoo. I want a proper zoo.